I'm Seth with North Metro Realty, and I'm thrilled to take you on a journey through the stunning Anthem Reserve Community located in Broomfield, Colorado. As we travel, you'll witness breathtaking scenery and discover all the amenities and features that make this neighborhood truly one of a kind. Driving Lowell, headed north, the beautiful Anthem Reserve Community comes into sight, located on our right-hand side. Now, we're turning onto Sheridan, heading east towards Anthem Reserve's main entrance. Throughout the neighborhood, houses are still under development as of April 2023, so it's not unusual to see active construction. As we continue our journey, we'll come across a vast open space filled with stunning trails and breathtaking mountain views. Anthem Reserve is located only a minute away from E470, just 20 minutes away from Boulder, and 30 minutes down I-25 to the heart of Denver. It's truly prime location, surrounded by upcoming areas, and it is perfect for anyone who wants to live in a beautiful, thriving community. The schools nearby are Thunder Vista for elementary and middle school, and Legacy for high school. In front of us is Anthem Hilltop Trail, which boasts scenic mountain views and an excellent opportunity to enjoy the beautiful Colorado outdoors, steps away from your home. On the left, this home is currently listed on the market for $2,460,000, and it has some of the most amazing mountain views the community has to offer. Anthem Reserve is built by a handful of builders, but mainly composed of Copper Homes Builder and Epic Homes Builder. both offering an exceptional collection of custom and semi-custom homes, including both ranch and two-story options. Each home is built on Broomfield's highest point. These homes in this community range from 2,500 to 3,700 square feet with a basement. With a total of 113 homes in this neighborhood, Anthem Reserve is ready to bring your vision to life with beautiful walkout basements and other exquisite features. The real selling point of this incredible neighborhood is the awe-inspiring views of the Rocky Mountains. It is truly a sight to behold and is sure to leave you breathtaking. One of the highlights of this incredible community is the Anthem Community Park, a sprawling green space filled with lush meadows, a serene lake, and spectacular mountain vistas. With features such as picnic tables, barbecue grills, soccer fields, walking, biking paths, this park is perfect for enjoying the beauty of nature year-round. So there you have it. Anthem Reserve is truly an outstanding community with plenty to offer, from stunning scenery to luxurious homes and everything in between. If you have any questions, call or text this number and we'd be happy to help you. Leave a comment down below on what you would want to see next and we'd be sure to cover it. Have a great day.